So guys, first method, click start and type service and right click to run as administrator. Then find out Windows search, press W, scroll down. This is Windows search, double click, stop, select automatic, again start, apply and OK, and then close it. Then next method, right click, otherwise click to start and type task, task manager. Okay, open this. If it not showing here, just right click on taskbar and open task manager. So find out the Windows Explorer. This is right click and restart and then close it. Then next, rebuild search index. So click on start and go to setting. In the search, type index. Indexing option. Otherwise, go to control panel, setting, and privacy setting, security. Then this is search. Okay, slow down, advanced indexing option, then advanced, then click on rebuild, then click on OK, and then close it. Close. Then next option, click to start, type CMD, the search, right click to run as administrator. This is compulsory, yeah? And then click yes for administrator rights. So this 4 command I will give you in the descriptions. So you have to copy one by one. So first click copy, and if it is not copy, you just type manually also. Okay, and then hit enter. Some command will complete very fast, okay, and some commands will take some time, so no worry about it, it will complete. And then close it. So I can see this is the started the percentage. So all 4 command we have to use your system one by one. Check health, scan health, and restore also. Okay, so sometime it will stop. Okay, means when you click on any other window, okay, so it will sometimes stop. Now you just select this percentage and then hit. So when you click to hit na, then it will start again. So now first command is 100% completed. Now second, Okay, and then hit enter. Oh, operations is complete successfully. Then select third one. So this is third command, scan help. So this is the third command. Okay, like it will run like that. This is the management tool. So it is completed. Then fourth command, last. And this is so important, huh? Again, copy, right click, copy, and then hit enter. So guys, this is also completed for command and 100%. After that, we have to restart system. Okay, so restart, in this case, the restart is compulsory. Okay, yeah. So this restore operations completely. No component store corrupted detected. Okay, yeah. This is the logs. So click to start and then restart it.